What is going on, my Meta Millionaires? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the freaking dip. That is right, man. I am super hyped up. I found the interview with Ihor on the CNB Squawk Box, and oh my God, have I found the gem to share with you guys. I am so excited. My eyes are like crazy, man. Watch this video. Watch it. Do not leave. You got to watch this interview with Ihor, man. Ihor, we talked about this gentleman. Now, guys, I've been talking about BBIG, SPRT, and all that, about the short squeeze, but we pretty much got confirmation that Meta Material is looking in better shape for a short squeeze than even BBIG and SPRT. And we got to go watch this, guys. We got to go watch this video. I'm super excited. Before we do there's a tweet out here by our buddy Jay Bridge in the MMATR room on Reddit. And here is the update we got. The short interest changed plus 22% today on Ortex. So keep that in mind, guys. The shorts are loading down. This would be a fantastic time for George to come out and release some kind of news, get this stock rocking and rolling. Man, I just got to get myself some more shares now because after seeing this interview of Ihor, I'm ready to just load the boat, man. I'm ready to load the boat. So here is going to be the interview with Ihor. I got the clip, and we're going to pause a little bit here and there and just go over what he says. Now, the first couple minutes is going to be him talking about SPRT and BBIG, but at the end of this interview, it's only a 4-minute video, so stick around. Here we go. Let's get to it.
Parent new meme darling. We're joined right now by Ihor Dusanowski. He's the head of predictive analytics at S3 Partners, which is a financial data company. And Ihor, looking at this, I read through your notes, just want to make sure I understand this properly. Support.com is one of those stocks you think where the big short squeeze might never come. Why don't you explain that?
Sure. Good morning, Becky. Thanks for having me. And we see some of the meme stocks like the OG meme stocks of AMC and GME that had huge short interest. So you had Act 1, which was the buyers pushing up the stock price, and then you had a short squeeze in Act 2. Well, we've got the Act 1 in stocks like BBIG and SPRT, but unfortunately, there's not enough short selling to have a big effect on the stock price. You've got 10 million shares shorted in BBIG and 6 million shares shorted in SPRT. So even if most of those guys cover, it doesn't affect the stock price that much because you've got over half a billion shares traded during the past week.
So right there, Ihor is saying, guys, that there is a chance that they can squeeze BBIG and SPRT, but there's not enough shorted shares to really make a difference in the market if they're trading like 500 million shares a day. So we're going to keep listening to this interview, and we're going to come into MMAT towards the end of this video, and it is super exciting, guys. Super exciting.
So anybody who's jumping into this thinking, okay, I'm ready to play and I'm going to see these big gains, you're saying it's kind of like waiting for Godot?
Yeah, you're going to sit around and wait a day and another day and another day and see if Godot shows up or the short squeeze shows up. I'm not saying there's not going to be a short squeeze in these names because there very well could be because, the support.com shorts are down over 200% over the past month. So, there's a pain threshold there where they're going to start covering. Unfortunately, it's only 6 million shares of total short interest. So, it's dropping a bucket to the daily trading volume. How much is going to move the stock price?
You put Venco Ventures, ticker symbol BBIG, in the same camp.
Right. It's another name. I mean, I see a lot of these meme stocks from my Twitter account. I see the individual investors that are pinging me for information on the short side, because that's what we do. We give information on the short side of the market. So they've been asking me about BBIG a lot. It's the same thing. It's a 10 million share short. Yeah, the stock is up big. The shorts are down 80%. But again, what is 10 million shares going to do if trading volume is over $750 million over the past week?
Ihor, is your sort of thesis that there's only a limited universe in stocks that can really be retail darlings, meme darlings like this, and that it's not going to be so easy to pick other names that do the same sort of pattern that we've seen so far in names like AMC and GameStop? Yeah,
you've got to look around because it really means you've got to look for stocks that have big run-ups, and you've also got to have stocks that have bigger short interest. So if you're looking for a Act 2, the short squeeze.
Here we go, man. You got to get ready for it. I got to say, man, you got to get ready for what he's about ready to say. It's coming up, man. We got to get excited. We got to get hyped up, man. We got to get ready for this. Get ready for this one. And yes, I'm ready. We got it out because we're going to celebrate after we hear what Ihor has to say here on this, man. Get ready. Get ready for this, guys. So amped up.
You know, you've got to see a stock that has, you know, the bullets to make that short squeeze happen. So you look at stocks like, you know, Clover, MMAT, Workhorse.
What did Ihor just say? You gotta have a stock that has the bullets for a freaking short squeeze. And which one did he say? Clover and MMAT. Yes, sir. That is amazing that he is saying, as much as I love support, as much as I love BBIG, but guys, Meta is where the heart's at, man. Meta is the heart. And he's saying that support and BBIG doesn't have enough bullets. They don't have enough shorted shares to really make a difference. But what he is saying is that MMAT and Clover have enough shorted shares to make a difference if the short squeeze happens. Now, like I said, we would like the stock to organically grow and get a little higher before the shorts cover, which is what we want to see happen. But let's listen to this, and we're going to go back to, we got to celebrate, guys, after hearing this, because it's just a waiting game now. We know we got the bullets. Ihor confirmed it. We're going to freaking take the shorts to town, and let's get here to it.
Wayfair, Blink Charging. These all stocks that have had run-ups and have the short interest that can create a short squeeze that matters.
You're a believer in meme stocks, though, I would guess, if you're spending this much time researching it.
Well, I research the short side, so this is a big topic, a big piece of the short side. You know, I look at SPACs, I look at meme stocks, I look at, you know, stocks that are, you know, trading up and down in the market. But what I see is a big change in both retail and institutional investing, where the momentum investing is a big part of people's strategy. On the, you know, on the long side of the retails, you know, these people have a fervor and a great backing of certain stocks, and it'd be ridiculous not to take that into consideration if you're investing on the long and short side.
Yeah, the short side has never been easy. It's always been pretty tough, and I've never seen too many people who can be successful over it over a long period of time trying to do that. I guess it's a lot tougher these days, though.
Yeah, I mean, you'll see some meme stocks where, you know, the shorts do make money. You'll see something like you know, Cassava Pharma Skills, where it's a meme stock, and it's really a timing issue. You're a good trader. If you're a good time, you know, you can time the market, you can make money. And you've also got to have stocks that have big.
So here we go, guys. We're going to go back and listen to that one more time, because it's really important we hear what he says when he mentions MMAT having enough bullets for a short squeeze. Man, I'm just so amped up. We're going to have to get a new bottle, man. I mean, we got to get a new bottle. We got to get a new bottle. So, yeah, let's watch this one more time, because I want you all to hear it again. I want you to hear it again. The stocks got to have enough bullets.
Yeah, you've got to look around, because it really means you've got to look for stocks that have big run-ups, and you've also got to have stocks that have bigger short interest. So if you're looking for a Act 2, the short squeeze, you know, you've got to see a stock that has, you know, the bullets to make that short squeeze happen. So you look at stocks like, you know, Clover, MMAT, Workhorse, Wayfair, Blink Charging. These all stocks that have had run-ups.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Ihor, for that information, my man. You don't even know how happy that made me after hearing that information. So I'm super excited to bring this information to the MMAT Meta family. We're going to be short squeezing up. Now, I went in here and did the short squeeze transactions on the 31st, got you all the spreadsheet information. The total short sale transactions, 197. Total shares shorted, 474,659 shares were shorted. Total dollar amount of those shares shorted, $2,080,314.69. Now, if we go back here to the Fintel, we go to the short interest. Short squeeze score is at 82.48. We are ranked 99 out of 6,360 stocks. And we get on here at the short shares availability. There is 0 left to short at a leading prime brokerage. Update 26 minutes ago, and there's nothing. And it's costing the shorts 2.13% to short the stock. And there's no update on the short borrow fee because there's no shares left to short. And we got the information from the 31st. The FINRA short volume ratio is 32.18. And we got the combined short volume ratio of 36.30. That's from the FINRA, CBOE, and PSX. Woo! Guys, here's where we got a post on this as well. I found on Twitter. Someone mentioned this. Speaking of CNBC, Ihor agreed that only 6 million shares in short support or shorted. A drop in the bucket compared to trading daily volume. Ihor said Mmat, CLOV, Workhorse, Wayfair are a lot better stocks to get that information. So, guys, right there it is. I wanted to bring you this again. I think I did want to touch base again on there. There it is. You can see the short squeeze on Ortex for today was 22.36%. So that is phenomenal. Go check out the Reddit room, MMATR. We're going to have that opportunity for everyone to chat with me, Smokey and Sterling, this Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm so excited. I want to see you guys in there. I want to be able to have you guys ask me questions. And we're going to have a great time with the community. So, Meta Millionaires, if you enjoyed this video, please smash a thumbs up. And if you don't smash it for me, smash it for the Mad Dog, man. It helps get the YouTube money so we can buy the more Mad Dog. So, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.